How to send a blank message on WhatsApp. There are various methods to send blank message on WhatsApp. Among them I am posting 2 simple methods which is easy and quick to send blank WhatsApp message on WhatsApp. Method 1. Using a blank character in WhatsApp. Step 1. Firstly you need to copy WhatsApp blank character given below. You can refer below link to get blank character with detailed guide. Step 2. Now after copying that WhatsApp blank character, open your WhatsApp and open your WhatsApp contact to whom you want to send empty message. Step 3. Now paste that blank character in WhatsApp chat and click on send. Step 4. Done. You had successfully sent blank WhatsApp message to your contact. Method 2. Using blank message using NoWord app. 1. Download and install NoWord app. NoWord app. 2. Now open NoWord app in your Android phone. 3. Tap on send and button. You will get option to choose from messengers installed in your phone. 4. Now select WhatsApp and choose the contact or group to whom you want to send blank message.